99% of the Bitcoin traders will not see this next move coming, because the fact is that Bitcoin is trading on massive levels of resistance. But at the same time, massive amounts of liquidity is starting to pile up on that top side. But also, on the same time, Bitcoin is headed to trade inside of a downtrend. So either way, if we are going to be getting this another move towards the upside or not, we will eventually be getting another move towards the downside. So at the end of this video, it will all start making sense for you. So make sure to like this video. Let's see if we can once again push it back above the 100 likes. That would be absolutely amazing. And as always, let's first of all have a look into what's that imminent short term and then build our way up towards the longer term time frames. And actually, what we are seeing in the short term is really what I'd like to see. We are currently forming this ascending triangle, and a breakout is going to be imminent anytime soon. Now, this one is at the 1 hourly time frame, and we are creating this some kind of an ascending triangle in a downtrend. So yeah, this breakout, in my opinion, will not be very reliable, but definitely I do think it is going to be indicating the next move. All right, because we are building up a lot of Bitcoin liquidity on that top side, but also at the same time, we are starting to build up also some liquidity towards the downside. So yes, definitely liquidity is starting to form on both sides again, and most definitely I do think that this breakout will be grabbing the liquidity in either direction. But very important to know is that the breakout towards the upside is most likely going to be causing a little bit of a relief rally, because we have been sitting in this downtrend for the last couple of days. We have been getting resisted from off this resistance level for the last couple of days as well, and we are finally once again testing this one. Now, if we are going to be breaking out this ascending triangle towards the upside, we will most definitely also be breaking this resistance towards the upside. At the same time, we are also finding massive resistance on the 12 hourly time frame, literally from off these previous lows. Well, we are right now testing previous support right now as resistance, and if we can be breaking above because of a positive breakout, well then most definitely I think our next level of resistance is going to be coming in at about the 43.3k level. Now, in my opinion, for the coming weeks, because yes, I do think that this move will be taking a couple of weeks. Actually, we will be seeing some consolidation. We are not going up in one straight line, just like we are not going down in one straight line. Bitcoin moves in waves. It has periods of consolidation, and it takes some time before the actual move develops. Now, the very important part of this video is that you need to understand that yes, Bitcoin has some room for upside right now in the short term, but what you need to understand is that in the larger time frame, well, we are still trading in a downtrend. Probably we are still going to be seeing lower numbers getting reached. We have been talking about this exactly many times on my channel. If you have been following me for a while, you of course already know what I'm going to be expecting right here. But either way, if we are going to be breaking above this resistance, well then yeah, we can be seeing a little bit of a relief rally. But anytime soon, we are going to be creating just another lower high, and then after that, we are just going to be creating another downwards move. So in my opinion, no, this is not going to be the time where I think the bottom is going to be in. Yes, maybe in the short term, we can be seeing a little bit of a relief rally, but it really is just going to be depending on the breakout of this ascending triangle, because we can also just get another rejection from all of these levels of resistance and get another move towards the downside being created in the coming few days already. You need to understand that right now we are actually officially trading inside of a downtrend on the higher time frames. So maybe even a downwards break right now would be even more likely. So let's see in which direction we are going to be breaking out towards. And a very important announcement I want to be making in this video is that possibly I will be opening up my private group where I will be sharing all of my private information. The best part is that this group will be completely for free if there is enough demand. Completely for free. You do not have to pay anything. Literally, you'll be gaining access to all of my personal trade alerts, literally in real time. Whenever I'm going to be opening a new position, even before I'm going to be opening up that position, I'll be sharing all of the data right here in this group. My millionaire altcoin portfolio, I will be sharing all of my altcoins, literally my whole portfolio for this bull market. My trading strategy, I will be explaining it all, what I'm doing in the market, what my exact strategy is right now in the market, also my 1000x bull market strategy with these altcoins, how I'm going to be rotating my altcoins into new altcoins so I can be getting an easy 1000x in this bull market. Also, I'll be sharing weekly trade setups, macro trends on Bitcoin, because usually in the short term, maybe I'm not always right, but in a macro trend, I'm literally all of the time right. I've not been wrong once in a macro trend. In my opinion, I think it is very easy to trade the macro trends, so I will be giving extensive updates on that exactly also in this private group. And maybe the most important point of them all, you can be sending me private messages. So I think this is going to be a game changer for a lot of people. Now I want to be kind of measuring how much demand there is for a group like this, so make sure to go ahead towards that first link in the description. Go ahead towards mrcrypt.so, register yourself right now so I can be having a look into how much demand there would be for a group like this. Make sure to fill in your Telegram handle, because I will be reaching out later if there is sufficient demand for this group, but only if there is enough demand. So make sure to register yourself if you have in the slightest interest in a group like this. I am going to be watching in which direction we are going to be breaking out towards, and if you are going to be interested in trading this breakout, make sure to check out that first link in the description, because you can literally claim a $1,000 free trade on Bybit. All you need to do is create a new account, deposit at least $100, and this deal will only be available for 6 more days. So make sure to check it out right now if you are going to be interested in trading this breakout for free with no risk at all. And with that being said, make sure to be following me on Twitter to stay up to date about every single market development. And guys, I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning.